Hey guys, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. Now, if you own an old Tesla Model S with the old nose cone like I do, then chances are you would have come across a faulty door handle by now, if not several times over. It's frustrating, and although it's covered under warranty, it's still inconvenient to have to bring it down to the Tesla service center. And more importantly, you can't get the door open, okay? Now, that's really frustrating. Now, I've got the door unlocked, just to prove it to you. I can't get the door to open, the door handle to present, whereas the back one, you can see here, it opens quite easily. Now, how do I know it's faulty? Well, you can stick your ear to the door handle and you'll hear a faint mechanical whirring sound. That's the door handle trying to present itself for you to open. Now today I'm going to show you how to open this door handle and fashion a temporary fix until you can get it to a Tesla service center to get it fixed more permanently. Alright, so all you need today is 2 credit cards and some sports tape. It doesn't necessarily have to be a credit card. In fact, any plain plastic card is better because there's no embossing, and I'll show you why that's important in a second. Most importantly, do not put anything metallic into your car's door handle, okay? Because that's going to scratch and damage your paint. So plastic is best, and I'll show you how to do this right now. So stick one plastic card into the bottom of the slot like this, and then lever it forward, and you can see that the door comes out just a touch. Now the other credit card, stick into the top, and then you can open the door like that, okay? So just be careful when you let go, because it'll snap back very quickly. One more time, one credit card into the bottom slot. Just lever it forward, doesn't have to be too forceful. Second credit card into the top, and then just lever it forward like that, and there you go. Okay, so once you've got your door handle open, grab one of the credit cards, and then put it into the door slot like that, so that you can keep that ajar like so. Next, grab your sports tape, grab about 30 centimeters worth of tape, tear it off like this, and what you want to do is fashion basically something to pull through with the credit card through the door handle. So stick one end into the front of the credit card, and then fold it on itself like this, okay, fold it onto the tape, and then stick the other end onto the back of the credit card like that, and that way you've got a little tape tag like that, and grab the bottom end of the credit card and pull it through like so, okay? You may require several goes to do this, but essentially, as you can see now, 2 ends of tape like this, then you can stick it down like that. And if you want to reinforce it, you can do that as well. So grab a bit more tape and just reinforce it like that, that way it's not going to come loose. And that way, you've got a very nice lever for your door handle. So let me show you. I'm going to shut the door, but you can still pull it out like that, okay? It's not the prettiest of solutions, but hey, it's going to get you through the next few days until you can get to a Tesla service center. So to recap, 2 credit cards, like this, one at the bottom slot, to lever it forward, then the second one up like that, and then grab the sports tape, pull it through, and fashion a little tag like this for yourself. And there you go, guys, an interim solution to your faulty door handle until you can get to a Tesla service center. And before I go, guys, some of you may remember that I went to the Porsche exhibition for their electric car prototype, and there was a drawing competition on a blackboard, quite fitting really because I love blackboards, but I was there with my son Electric Evan, and we drew a picture of a Porsche, and here it is right here for you to have a look at. That was the 3rd prize winner, which is us, and this is our prize here. We've got a replica scale model of a Porsche Boxster engine. Now obviously we focus on electric motors and electric cars, but if you still want to see it assembled, I'm very happy to show it to you. So leave a comment below and tell me whether I should assemble this and make a video out of it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this is very helpful to you. But the newer Teslas don't have this issue. It's just to do with the older Teslas with the faulty door handles. Alright guys, hopefully it's a lovely day wherever you are in this world. And as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. If you're about to buy a Tesla, use my promo code Thomas7208 to score 6 months of free supercharging. Happy charging!